Last Saturday, we visited Craig Hill's amazing 5-inch gauge model railway. With 1 kilometre of track and a variety of New South Wales steam locos, we were very impressed. This enthusiastic young man operated all day, shoveling coal and driving trains. He is seen here leaving the yard with the K-Class. An unrebuilt 35 class climbs the 1 in 60 grade with ease. The trestle bridge provides a great scenic effect. Star of the show is the 3-cylinder 57 class, possibly the only 57 still in steam. On this occasion it ran driverless up the hill, while its owner kept a close eye on it. Some of us rode the trains, and this 59 took it in its stride. At the end of the day, the 57 was hooked up to a large rake of wagons. Here it is drifting towards the bottom of the hill. See if you can count the wagons. Pièce de résistance was the 57, hauling 84 wagons up the 1 in 60 in a canter. Listen for the 3-cylinder beat. Later, the trains were carefully packed into the owners' vans and returned home. It was a great day out for all concerned.